SoFi Everyday Cash Rewards Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if your credit card could quietly help you grow your money? That is the surprising truth about the SoFi Everyday Cash Rewards Card. You earn unlimited cash back on all purchases, and if you deposit those rewards into a SoFi account, you may earn higher reward rates. There is no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and simple flat rate rewards. For people who want simple cash back and smart money management, this card can be powerful. Verdict: worth it for simple cash back users.